How to fix Spotify? Your country does not match on the Spotify. Today, guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, you have to go and open settings of your phone. Then after this, you have to go to apps or applications, and now you have to search for Spotify. And when you found it, just open it like this and go directly to storage option. Then go to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.